Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While certain vegetables can work just fine added directly to simmering soups and stews, say, carrots and celery, other vegetables, onions, garlic, and the like, will almost always need at least a brief sweat in a fat-based liquid before adding the remaining ingredients.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The only times I would think that you would want raw onion flavor would be in pinto beans, chili, or another bean-heavy soup. Raw onion can and will ruin a soup. But if a recipe has anything resembling delicate or subtle flavors, raw onion other than maybe a few super mild onions will crush those flavors in a soup.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cooking a soup, stew, or sauce uncovered allows water to evaporate, so if your goal is to reduce a sauce or thicken a soup, skip the lid. The longer you cook your dish, the more water that will evaporate and the thicker the liquid becomes. That means the flavors become more concentrated, too.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Start by sautéing onions, garlic, maybe celery, then adding the water and beans, and simmering. Add the carrots in the last half hour or so or when the beans are close to tender. That way the carrots will come out cooked but not mushy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.